covering their small town. The feet of heavy snow collapsing roofs in Maryland, Pennsylvania, and Virginia.
I believe that at the end of the day, this will probably be our most expensive snow event ever.
This as reports rise to at least 30 deaths by the crippling winter storm.
I try to have the gear.
In New Jersey, a mother and her 1-year-old son died, waiting inside this car to stay warm. But snow was covering the tailpipe, and carbon monoxide quickly suffocated the family.
When the mufflers are covered up, you can't be sitting in the car